Hi everybody, welcome to Adventures in Boro. This one goes out to Krista and Lena Jones. You two ladies have asked me a few times about doing a few more things in Boro. I wanted to take a step back from the coral base that we did, which can be a bit cumbersome. Let's step back to just a single bead stand. That is going to be our demonstration today. It's just clear. That's all you need. It doesn't have to be fantastic. Mine is not going to be perfect by all means, so don't expect it. Don't expect the perfection to come just yet, but it will come. And on that note, you guys, I hope you enjoy this video and make a little bead stand of your own. And on that note, thanks for watching. We'll see you on another Adventures in Boro in the dungeon. All right, here we go. Let's just start with 2 rods of glass. One of them we're going to heat up into a hot, nice rounded ball. And then from there, we're going to get another bit of glass hot and weld the 2 parts together. And then just give it a second and gently start to pull from the rod itself out until you get to a length that you like. It can be longer because you can always shorten it. And then go ahead, find your second spot. Make sure you have the weld and go ahead and pull very gently out in the flame. You're just drawing the glass out until you get to the point where if you tug a little hard and do a loop-de-loop here, it'll come right off. And now to heat up the third part and get a weld on there. My welds were not perfect, you guys, but you want to be careful not to overheat the other parts. But if you do, like I usually do, you have plenty of time to heat little areas and make it the shape that you want, which is really here, just triangle, just 3. 3 is good enough. Even if it's slightly at an angle, it will look cool, I promise. Not everything has to be perfectly straight up and down. Okay, let's add the punty. This is like a 3mm rod. I heat the rod up in a little bit of where I'm going to add it, and I stick it to it. Now let's heat and push this glass together. That's a Maria. Let's make another one a little higher up. We're going to push that together just to give this base some kind of interest, because without a bead on it, it's whatever. And then you're going to start to heat and pull, and you want to pull this long point out. And let me tell you, you want to make sure it will accommodate the bead hole that you need. So you might have to re-punty this up and go back and pull, or just make another one. Practice makes perfect, you guys. And then I just take the tip off, and from here I can just heat up some tweezers and grab the hot part, and it just broke right off, and voila, we're done. Thanks for watching, you guys.